Hello guys and welcome to TechWolf. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove admin bar for all users except administrator. So this admin bar which is at the very top, so this is not being displayed for all users, only administrator how it displayed, and I will not be using any plugins. I will show you how to do it and how it 100% works by just adding one code snippet. As many plugins which are out there, they are not able to achieve this administration bar removal for admins, and with also not removing for administrator itself, because of reasons that some plugins which you are using with your application, if you are using some user-based websites, your admin could also be a part of that user base, and those external plugins, they would remove administration bar for admin as well, not only for users. To achieve this, go to dashboard of your WordPress admin, here find appearance, hover over appearance, and here click on theme file editor. Then here on the right hand side you will see this theme functions, guys. Click into this theme functions and it will open a file where you can write different functions to interact with your website. Scroll at the very bottom, and here at the very bottom we will add a small piece of code, and we will be adding this code snippet where we will first create a function, and in this function we make sure that this is administrator, and then we add another function which is add action, where after theme setup, when theme is loaded, we will execute this function which will remove all administrator bars for all users except administrator. I will make this code snippet bigger so you can see and you can rewrite it. Stop your video guys and write this function down, and then just copy it and paste it here in theme functions at the very bottom. Click on update file, and this will remove admin bar for all users except administrator. So yes guys, this was my quick video on how to remove admin bar for all users except administrator in WordPress, and if you found this video useful, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.